Hello, welcome. In this video we will be unboxing a ukulele strap that I bought on Amazon. It was $13 I believe, and it shipped fairly quickly. I think it was less than a week. It was really fast. If you would like to see more unboxing videos, reviews, and if you would like to learn how to play the ukulele, subscribe to this channel. If you end up liking the strap and you want to buy it, I will have information about it below. It's called the Music First Classic Country Style Soft Cotton and Genuine Leather Strap Ukulele Shoulder Strap version 2.0. Oh my goodness, that is a mouthful. I think they're just trying to hit all the keywords that people are searching for. Well, it worked because I bought it. Okay, so we have a tiny little box here, but it's like full because they really pack it in there. Probably to save on shipping, right? That just came off. Oops. So here's what the strap looks like right out of the box. Something fell out. Let me check what that was. Hold on. So I'm reading here some of the details. It says it's cotton on the outside, genuine leather, and cotton on the inside. And then it includes a gold color strap nail. What is this for? This is really cute. Oh, I think I know what it's for. I think if your instrument doesn't have a strap button, you can screw one on. I wouldn't do that. I would feel a little insecure about drilling a hole into my instrument. I know that it can be done, but I would probably have a music shop do it just because I'm really nervous about that. I've never done it before, but I guess if you wanted that option, you have it because it's included. I didn't know that I was buying that, but that's pretty cool, I must admit. If your ukulele does not have strap buttons, please watch the video that is now on the screen. There's a card for it. You can actually do your own DIY strap buttons and you don't need to drill into your instrument. Here's the leather part. If your instrument has two strap buttons, you're in luck because it has these holes for both of it. But if yours only has one strap button, or if you did my DIY version, then you have this lace to tie it at the top. So let me assemble it here on camera so we can see how to put it together. Okay, so I have the ukulele here. I'm gonna put it on there because this one has the strap buttons. And you just kind of have to put it in on one side and like turn. That's the easiest way I found. And then the ukulele has a strap button here at the top. So you can just drop that in there, but just for fun, I want to see what it's like to use the laces. I'm gonna put it in between the strings and the neck. Just tie a little bow here. So what musicians are you guys listening to right now? I'd like to add a few songs to my playlist for my commute to work, and I'd love your recommendations. Okay, so there we have it. Oh, that's really cute actually. I think they're gonna love it. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Ooh, that's a little tight. I mean, it's adjustable, so it can be lowered. Oh, that's good. That's actually a really nice fit, and I do like it over here better than I would here. I just feel like down here would slip further, and here it really does kind of stay upward, so it's easier for chord changes. I do want to say that this is a very nice, thick, heavy-duty material. It does not have any stretch to it at all. So my section teachers gave me this one. It has a 4 and a 5 pattern, which means love always or infinite love. This is like the typical Okinawan pattern. So I was looking for something that like reminded me of Mexican patterns. So that's kind of what I was going for with this one. It reminded me a little bit of the sarape. So yeah, that's why I chose it. So I'll be posting my teacher's reaction to receiving this on my Instagram, so make sure and follow me there so you can check it out. Okay, so I have my guitar now. Okay, so it works for guitar. It works for guitar. The only thing is that, let me turn around somehow. I had to put it at like the furthest point that I could stretch it at. I don't know if you can see there. So it cannot go any further than this. So, I mean, it works. And it's not hanging super close to me or anything. Let me back up. Ah. So it works. Just bear in mind that I had to stretch it as far as it would go. If there are any accessories or little knickknacks for our instruments that you want me to review, make sure and drop a link down below. If you would like to see more unboxings, reviews, and learn how to play the ukulele, make sure and subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!